Do you know? The continuous low-frequency vibration, often referred to as the Earth's hum, is a mysterious phenomenon that has puzzled scientists for decades. There are several theories. 1. Seismic activity. Some scientists believe it's caused by the countless small earthquakes and seismic events around the world. 2. Ocean waves. The hum is generated by ocean waves crashing against coastlines and resonating through the Earth's crust. 3. Atmospheric pressure. Changes in atmospheric pressure could be causing the vibration, possibly linked to global wind circulation. 4. Earth's core. Some say that the hum is generated by movements within the Earth's core. Despite ongoing research, the exact cause of the Earth's hum remains unknown. It's possible that it's a combination of these factors, or something entirely different.